Say you're Jennifer.
Oh, I'm Jennifer now.
I'm Jennifer, baby. She's Amanda.
Okay.
This idiot is gonna make me drink an egg.
That's a part of a dare.
So yeah, here goes. Oh, damn you, dude.
Oh, what's your face?
Should we drink the yellow part? Okay, see? Take a look at the egg.
Gross.
See it?
No.
Ew.
Oh, yeah.
And then I have water in case
She
it doesn't go
barfs.
down. Okay.
Let me stand right here. So I
Ready?
can watch you.
Count down.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
1.
Oh. Just the yellow part, right?
If you don't eat your pansy into school,
Just the
you have to
yellow
wear
part?
shirts with pansy. Yes. Much as you can.
Oh, why don't you just take out the yellow part and put it in a
Just
cup?
put it in your mouth.
Oh, I can't do it.
What a pansy. Just do it.
Come on.
Pretend it's yogurt.
Oh, I hate you. Oh, dude. You know how gross this is.
Hello? Oh, okay, cool. Bye.
Oh. Like
Let me hold this real quick.
Get weird.
I'll be a pansy. I can't do it.
Get closer so I can see you. Okay.
Hold on. I'll be back, folks.
What a freaking pansy. Hey, pansy. I know what you're doing. No. You're throwing it away.
No.
Is he?
That's what you want me to eat, right?
Yeah. You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. Go. It's your face, Woo. It's your face.
I hate you, little.
Hold on. Just eat it. It's like super easy. Here you go, Pansy. Okay. Eat it. Eat it. We're kind of shooting here.
I know.
No, she put it back in. Look, okay, now eat it. You ready? Oh, look, she put it in water. Look, okay. Look,
Yeah.
show her now.
I just mixed it up so I wouldn't have to swallow a whole blob. One? Hold on, like, give me one. I'm gonna do it for sure this time.
Yeah, right. Freaking Pansy.
1, 2, 3.
Make some water, fool.
Oh, I did it.
Go get some water.
I'm good. I don't want anything watery. Bye. I don't want to talk anymore. Oh my god. Freaking pants.
Okay,